Hey guys, Brittany here to give you a brief little tips and tricks video on Tagul. Once you're into the site, you can start your first cloud, and what I do to change all the text, because we won't want demo cloud on there anymore, I highlight it all, delete it, and then I paste whatever text that I have copied that I want in my cloud, and this is actually the text from Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven. So, what you do is you can visualize, so that'll change our cloud and to the words that we actually want to see. There we go. And this is the situation about Tagul. So it automatically goes to Google. So if you click on one of these words, it's going to take you to a Google search. And we don't want that. So what you're going to do is you're going to manually edit tags. So for every word, you replace it with the actual site that you want it to go to. So if you have a bunch of research papers that you want your kids using, any of your websites, that kind of thing, you can manually edit them. And you can also text link patterns, so you can set the site on here. So if you want them all to go to basically the same web pages on the same, or the tags within that page, you would set it here. After that, you can also filter common words. So, as you can see, "thee" is the most common word in Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven. So, but that seems silly. I don't want a giant "thee." So, I decide that I want to filter the common words in the English language. And there they all are. So, if I decide that I don't want, Raven anymore, I can, Raven won't be anymore. And then if I want to delete one, you just take it away. You can revisualize it. So now we know that door is actually the most common word in Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven. So once you're done, you can change different shapes, all sorts of stuff. Change the fonts, the colors in the animation, so you can change what colors these all are, and whether they're a little bit transparent when the box that pops up. And then you want to save it. And you save it so that you can actually convert it into use. So you have the save on local computer. I suggest PNG if you're going to save it onto your computer. Also, make sure to keep the aspect ratio. This means that no matter what shape these are, that you keep it looking normal. So it won't be fatter than it is taller and it looks stretched. You don't want that. So make sure to keep aspect ratio, and the same thing when you're copying to put into a web page. You want to make sure that this is still a circle and not an oval. So keep the aspect ratio. If you want to change the height, you can change how big and small they are, but it'll affect the height as well. And then you can copy to clipboard, which means it's going to copy this automatically to dump into an HTML editor on a web page. And then this is your link. So if you just want to give the link to someone to go to this page and be able to see it, you can do that as well. And then once you're done, you hit Save Changes. Voila. That is all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. And just have a lovely day. Bye, guys.